Hello student, welcome to DSCG Home Classes, a digital initiative by Directorate of School Education Jammu. Myself, Lal Singh, teacher, Government High School, Chandrakot District, Ramban. Class 6 to 10th subject English Grammar, topic Models. मॉडल पे हमने पिछले दो वीडियोज़ में बात की। पहले हमने मेड माइट और दूसरी वीडियो में हमने बात की कैन एंड कुड। आज हम बात करेंगे शैल और विल की। As per traditional grammar, shall is used with first person I and we. Will is used with second and third person to denote pure future actions as model. When shall is used with second and third person and will is used with first person, they denote determination, threat, warning और promise. यानी एज पर ट्रेडिशनल ग्रामर जो था हमारा shall यूज होता था फर्स्ट पर्सन के साथ आई एंड वी के साथ, विल इज यूज सेकंड एंड थर्ड पर्सन टू डिनोट प्योर फ्यूचर एक्शन एज मॉडल व्हेन शैल इज यूज विथ सेकंड एंड थर्ड पर्सन एंड विल इज यूज विथ फर्स्ट पर्सन, दे डिनोट डिटर्मिनेशन, थ्रेट, वार्निंग और प्रॉमिस। सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे शैल। शैल कहाँ का यूज होता है? द यूज ऑफ शैल इन फर्स्ट पर्सन डिनोट ए प्योर future action, while use of shall in second and third person denote promise, determination, threat or warning. For example, I shall go to market tomorrow. I shall go to market tomorrow. ये future action है, यानी I shall go to market tomorrow. He shall pay you on Monday. He shall pay you on Monday. It is promise है, वादा है. He shall work hard to achieve success. Determination, ये उसकी determination है. He shall work hard to achieve success. It is his determination. Anyone find involved shall be punished. Anyone find involved shall be punished. ये warning है या threat भी मान सकते हो आप. We shall play hockey match tomorrow. ये future action है. कल हम क्या करेंगे? hockey match खेलेंगे. दूसरा use, the use of shall with second and third person also express compulsion, bindings or an idea of force The use of shall with second and third person also expresses compulsion, bindings or an idea of force. You shall go to meet him tomorrow. You shall go to meet him tomorrow. You are instructed to go and meet him. You are instructed to go and meet him. दूसरा, she shall complete her work by tomorrow. She shall complete her work by tomorrow. She shall complete her work by tomorrow. She has to complete her work by tomorrow. उसे अपना काम कल तक पूरा करना. The use of shall not in second person denote provisions or negative command. You shall not meet him. You shall not meet him. Nobody shall write on the table. Nobody shall write on the table. She shall not attend the night party. She shall not attend the night party. The use of shall with first person in interrogative form expresses an idea of knowing the willingness of the other person. The use of shall with first person in interrogative form expresses the idea of knowing the willingness of the other person. Shall I open the door for you? Shall I open the door for you? Shall I carry this box into the room for you? Into the room for you. Shall I thread the needle for you? Shall I thread the needle for you? Shall I assist you? Shall I assist you? The use of shall in third person to expresses an idea of working as per the wish of the other. The use of shall in third person also expresses an idea of working as per the wish of others. Shall Rahim wait for you? Shall Rahim wait for you? Do you want him to wait for you? क्या तुम चाहते हो वो आपका इंतज़ार करे? इसका मतलब shall Him wait for you mean, do you want him to wait for you? Shall the messenger wait outside? Shall the messenger wait? Shall the messenger wait outside? Do you want the messenger to wait outside? Do you want the messenger to wait for you to outside? So, shall in second and third person denote a command. Shall in second person denote a command. जैसे you shall not steal. A threat. You shall not be. You shall be fined if you do not work hard. A threat है. You shall be fined if you do not work hard. A promise. He shall get reward. A compulsion. Children shall respect their parents. A compulsion है. A determination. You shall help the poor. A certainty. If it does not rain in time, there shall be famine. If it does not rain in time, there shall be famine. Shall in third person express request or instruction, the command or desire of the person spoken to. Shall he pay his fee tomorrow? Shall he pay his fees tomorrow? Shall he be punished? अब आ जाएगा use of will. The use of will in second and third person denote pure future action. With first person will denote threat, warning, promise, determinations. He will go. पहला आएगा he will go tomorrow. He will go tomorrow. You will work here. You will work here. You will work. I will see you. ये थ्रेट है या माने मैं तुम्हें देख लूँगा. I will see you. I will pay on Monday. It is promise. I will achieve my goal. It is determination. I will achieve my goal. I will never speak to him. It is my determination. मैं उससे कभी बात नहीं करूँगा. Will is also used for making formal request. Will is also used for making formal request. Will you close the door? Will you close the door? Will you bring me a glass of water? ये formal request है. Will you bring me a glass of water? Will is also express probability in combination with all the person. The negative forms will not denotes refusal. Will not, जैसे I will not go there. ये refusal में वहाँ नहीं जाऊँगा. He will not sanction your leave. वो तुम्हारी sanction leave. He will be in the park. He will be in the park. He will be in the park. Today is 15th of August. School will be closed. Want will not in interrogative sentence denote invitation. Will not you have a cup of tea? Invitation, I want you to have a cup of tea. Won't you meet her? It means will not you meet her? Won't you stay for a day? Will is also used for command or command and instruction. Will is also used for commands and instruction. Command and instruction के लिए, for example, all the cadets will attend the parade. It is क्या है? Instruction or command. All the girls will not wear the shorts. It is instruction or command. You will deliver the welcome speech. You will deliver the welcome speech. It is command or request. Will in third person denote general habits. Will in third person denotes a general habit. The woman will not keep mum. The girl will stalk. It is also habits. He will smoke. He will smoke. It is habit. The minister will come late. A habit. A minister will come late. Thank you.